that where someone avails of free legal aid for criminal offences and they're back before the courts again and again, then there should be a clawback on their social welfare or on their other income in relation to those court costs. Because the difficulty is at the moment, Minister, that if someone is apprehended, and someone, let's say, that's caught red-handed, literally coming out the door of a house with either the jewellery or the television under their arm, and they end up on indictment before the Circuit Court, and particularly in parts of the country where there's a big backlog, they will seek to have their case held before a jury. And why wouldn't they? It gives them 2 years out to rob wherever they like over a 2-year period while they're waiting for this to come back before the courts. And there's no cost on them. When they come out of prison at the end of it, they'll have their loot, they'll still have their social welfare or what other income that is available to them. And surely, Minister, if we're introducing in this House the attachment of earnings on someone who doesn't pay their television licence, has a fine imposed on them, and we're taking away some of their social welfare to pay for that, or some of their income to pay for that, I don't think it is too much to ask if someone is coming before the courts again and again, is using the court system to delay justice and the enforcement of justice, that when they have an income, that some of that income should be used to contribute towards the cost of their legal representation in the first place. And I think that that needs to be brought in here. We're very anxious, to persecute people in relation to overpayments or for not paying their television licence. Well, it's about time that these individuals start paying for the cost of tying up court time and tying up limited resources that should be used and should be available for genuine cases where people need a defence.